Hey everyone, I'm here about ready to burn in my new Austin XL Pit Boss smoker. Just got the pellets in it. I'm going to check the temperature from one side to the other as I burn it in, just to see how it looks from one end to the other with regards to temperature changes. You can see next to it is my Pit Boss Copperhead 5 vertical smoker. And I've done a few videos on that one, so check out my my homepage for that. Let me go and open this up and show you what I did. So inside I've already put in a few pellets just to get the burner started, and as the auger's feeding into the main pot, it'll catch up. But I'll go ahead and prime it before that to get it up and going. I gotta put in the metal protector plate that goes right here across here, and then I'll go ahead and fire it up. As you can see, this is my Bluetooth thermometer. Has up to 6 probes. Really handy. I can about a 200-foot range on it. I would say more like 100 foot if you're inside the house. And again, those are the pellets put in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all the stuff back in, the grates and everything, and start to do a burn-in on this. Okay, I have everything back in the grill. I'm ready to start this up. I left the center grate out so I can check the pot that's underneath to see if the fire's getting started in there. Usually when you start this up for the first time, you want to leave the lid open. Let the pellets prime in, which means that the auger needs to feed from the box over here into the main pot. And usually if you don't put any pellets in there, you'll have to, the lighter times out after 2 minutes, so it usually doesn't get there before the lighter goes out, for the first time at least. So you want to prime it, bring all the pellets in. Once it starts to feed in, turn the unit off, turn it back on, and then it should go into the standard starting process. Usually once you've already had all the pellets in there, is just come out here, turn the grill on, set the temperature, usually to 350 to get it up to temperature, and it'll start right up. So I'm gonna go ahead and start this up for the first time. All right, burn this in at 250 for about half an hour, and then raise the temperature up another 50 degrees. Do that for another half hour. So I'm gonna slowly bring the temperature up for the next half hour till about 350. That should burn everything in and break in the paint, and then it'll be ready to use. Okay. It's been about a couple minutes. You can see the fire's going pretty good now. Smoke starting to come out here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the probes in. I'm gonna close the shield up right here. I can do that with my fingers, but usually it would be hot. And I'll put the center grate in, and we'll go ahead and burn this in. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this up, set it to 250, and we'll let that go for about a half hour, and then we'll raise it up to 300 and then 350 just to burn everything out. So it's a little different than the instructions say on the Pit Boss. They want it to 350 for about 45 minutes, but I want to make sure that the paint doesn't pill or get it cured up and get it up to temp in time. So, all right, I'm going to shut this down.